This is a quick video on the parts of a plumbing trap. As we have discussed already, plumbing traps are meant to protect sewer gases coming from the municipal sewer up through the sanitary building sewer into the sanitary building drain and eventually up through the plumbing fixtures in the home and or building. And these are playing a very part of role. The big part of the role is played by this part, the number one part of the trap, which is the trap seal itself. The trap seal, um, by Ontario Building Code, has to be a minimum of 1.5 inches, and for any acid uses, it has to be 2 inches in depth. This depth creates the seal, and depth creates the wall or the door that prevents the sewer gases to re-enter the trap through the fixture. This short video is going to be discussing the parts of an actual plumbing trap. The first part of our plumbing trap is our most vital part, and that is the trap seal. That is the liquid that stays behind after using the fixture, that stays behind the trap and creates that wall or door or seal that protects the sewer gases from working their way up from the municipal sewer into our sanitary building sewer, into our sanitary building drain, and then up through all the individual fixtures. So the trap seal, the liquid in the trap, is what prevents those gases from entering our homes and our buildings. This trap seal has to be a minimum of 1.5 inches or 2 inches for an acid waste operation, as per the Ontario Building Code. The other part of the trap that's important is the weir, and that's the curved part on the way out of the trap, heading into the trap arm of the fixture. This is where the seal needs to come up to. The trap seal needs to be up that high. This is also a vital spot because sometimes if items such as hair are lying over the weir into the trap arm, while being dipped into the trap's seal itself, it could actually allow the water molecules to work its way up through the hair into the trap arm and actually draining down or making the trap seal smaller, and then eventually allowing gases from the sewer to make its way in. The third part is our dip, and our dip is the level down at the bottom of the trap. So when the stuff comes out of the liquid comes out of the fixture down and it goes around the bottom, that is the dip. That's the lowest part of the fixture, and that's where we want to make sure that is completely filled up the liquid up and beyond that point. If the water level was below the dip, then obviously it would be very easy for sewer gases to enter into the home or building. And then lastly, our crown. Our crown is the highest part of our trap. It's located directly above the weir. It is also located on the outlet part of the trap, and again leading into the trap arm of the fixture. So again, these are the parts that make up our trap. And once again, just to review, very part of role of the trap, the one part is the trap seal itself. And again, by Ontario Building Code, it needs to be 1.5 inches in depth or 2 inches for acid operations.